Crazy. What the fuck?
Off a cliff. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 50 seconds to the open. Apple looks like a sell at the open. Microsoft looks like a sell at the open. Google, Nvidia, and Meta both look like buys at the open. See how those plan out. Or all three. I said both.
And Nvidia is getting WNBA candle right now on the 50.
That's what I said. Nvidia looks like a buy at the open.
Yep.
I just picked up some Apple on open. I took a diagonal June 26th, 307.5 calls, and I sold the June 18th, 317.5 calls for $3. I just got a fill.
Ticker
Nice.
AAOX. Ticker AAOX pushing 70, trimming some shares here from 58 to 70 again.
So Google looks strong out the gate. Google looks super duper strong out the gate. Google looks like it wants to push up towards that 370 area. And if it can clear 370, go ahead and test that 374, 375 area. Google looks strong. Top watch.
Ticker. ASTS took the 170s for next week, chasing premium.
Calls for tomorrow.
Ticker NVIDIA. 210 calls from yesterday for June 15th. Quarter out, 31%.
Ticker TSLA, the 50-day moving or the 200-day moving average is the same as that 415 key level. So it's currently trying to reclaim pre-market high 415.50, which is a 2021 high. So that'll be a key level for higher. And Micron coming into my 971 down to 950. I'll let you know if I take it.
Look at Google. Google full Google. Full Google. Google, let's go.
Yeah, Google and Tesla, they're probably running up the space, the SpaceX type of theme.
Yeah, definitely Google. Google is the sleeper SpaceX pick that people don't really talk about.
Totally.
Jeez, this is a nasty sell on Nvidia right here. What the fuck?
NVIDIA, Marvell, Micron, even Apple also.
Yeah, even
Apple, I see room to 295.
You guys waited like I didn't. I got another fill this time at 2.5 for that diagonal. So give it a little bit. Probably get down to 210, 215 is my guess. And that at that price, it's really a killer deal.
Ticker. Google 372.5 call. Spire tomorrow up 55%, moving stops up. Moving up stop.
Ticker DRAM 626. That's June 26th. I'm grabbing the $65 calls.
Oh shit.
So ticker. I'm still in Tesla 500s for July. They're now up 22%. So Tesla's also my sleeper SpaceX pick. So
on Apple, bro, this is a H pattern playing out with this open.
Yeah, 295 is where I expect the market is bouncing, so we'll see. I'm not short.
And the 30-minute is an evening star reversal on Apple right now.
yeah, it's a big ass H pattern on the 2-hour time frame. That's what I talked about at the open. How Apple had that H pattern that was setting up. So yeah, Apple looks super duper weak. Ticker CCTG got halted. It got halted to the midpoint. Like it's currently up 853%. So I can't say halted to the upside or downside, but it's not really moving when it got halted. So CCTG, it's a 18 million market cap, 3 million float, 91 million in volume, and the average is normally 720,000. So kind of just giving that a little bit of context. CCTG.
Ticker QCOM. Apparently, that video of Jensen saying to buy the name was fake in AI. That's why QCOM's selling off.
I told you guys.
That's crazy.
This shit that Amit posted, I called out in so many Discords that I'm in. This is still crazy. They are direct competitors in so many things. I don't see how Nvidia buys into Qualcomm directly. It's going to cause so many problems.
Ticker Micron holding that 971. The double Micron bounced 820 on that. And CRDO, nice little daily breakout here, coming for all-time highs.
Nice. Ticker. Just kind of go back to CCTG because I don't want this to get lost in translation. Currently butted up against a weekly level that if it can clear, if it stays above 420, it's going to go to $8. Or 16.
I grabbed some Apple 310 calls here, starter for the 15th. Apple 310 calls for the 15th.
Damn,
Starter.
you was just talking about how weak it looks and then you buy calls.
Yeah, it looks like the chart changed again, boy.
Ticker SPX 7485 calls 611. 7485 611 calls, as well as SPY 612 calls as well. If you don't want to trade the 7485, you can grab the 747s.
Ticker. Apple, I flipped a new order there. Instead of 307.50s, I went 305s for the June 26th, and it's still the same 317 and a half for the June short side. So let's see if I get a fill. I will let you guys know.
Ticker AMAT entered last week. 550 calls for June 18th. Just crossed $10 from a 5 entry.
Ticker, crowd CRWD waiting for this retest up around 650 if we can get there, and then I'll enter for another short. CRWD, not in a position right now, closed mine yesterday, but let's see what happens.
Ticker GLXY. The 35 calls for June 18 just got some pretty nice volume. They're still under $100 for those contracts. 35 calls for June 18 GLXY.
Yeah, I'm in the 40s. I'm in the 40s for July, 40s for January, I think.
Let's go, boy. In there like swimwear.
Ticker BAP. I don't know what the hell this is anymore. Up $38 today. The 390 calls are now up 210%.
What was the ticker, sir?
BAP.
Ticker UNH, it's closing in on the 200-week moving average EMA. So that is 422. So that's a big deal, and I think that's where the last serious congestion is before it clears over 450. So we get through the next $20-$25 here on UNH. We could be seeing a very new power here on Dow. This is going to run.
Yes, sir. Send it, boy.
Ticker, KPMG and Microsoft expand global. Ticker, SNDK, new high a day.
Yes, ma'am. Ticker APH 170 calls for July are now up 125%. Ticker Amphenol is up $10 today.
Ticker. Adding some Apple, size for Lotto, but adding some Apple puts, some 295s for tomorrow. I don't share the bullish sentiment that these guys have. Apple looks super duper bearish. It looks like an evening star reversal playing out on the 1 hour time frame with an H pattern. That's a double negative in my opinion. I can't be long here.
Good work, Money Like Mike's. Thanks for reminding me about APH, bro.
Ticker. Meta looks strong. Full bull. Almost the pre-market high.
Yes, sir. Ticker triple M from yesterday's flow, 157.50 weekly calls, up 75%, trimming 2/3 here.
Ticker Micron, nice balance, 971. Like $13 on the underlying and $20 on the double.
Ticker. Crowd CRWD took the 582.50s for this week. 582.50s for this week, chasing premium.
Okay, don't ever quote me on this, Heather, but I actually like that one.
Whoa, shit. Did anybody record that?
I did. I record all my spaces.
Thank you.
No, I
Wow,
don't.
Mon, I'm impressed.
Nah, nobody heard that, Heather. I think you're just hearing shit. Ain't nobody heard a damn
Probably.
thing monitored. Man.
Oh, fuck that. I did say it. Come on.
So ticker.
Oh,
If Apple stays under 298, I want to see it go trend down to 294.58. If Apple stays under 298, I want to see it trend down towards 254.58.
Ticker. NDIS full bull. Shout out, Heather.
Thank you, doll. Ticker. CRDO, all-time highs.
I
there it
think my double
is.
levered is running. Hold up. Go. Hey, I'm a scalp premium. I don't know why I'm doing this. Ticker NBIS next week, $300 calls. Must have lost my goddamn mind today.
I'm
Meta
so
has an
proud.
aggregate put wall at 596.8, break above, and that is full bull.
Pop on gold and silver after a sell down out the open. Keeping my eyes on the miners as well. Dust looking like it's biting the dust fast. Looking already bit the dust hanging out at Travertine. Is Faz already hanging out at Travertine. RSP strong up 1.25%. Mags looking like it wants to follow behind RSP up 0.75%, while the 10-year is trying to figure it out. The VIX and VVIX is down there with the 10-year hanging out at the bottom. NDX up 1.25%, trying to push the SPX up 1% and trying to push SPY and Qs right behind it. The Russell and the Dow look super duper strong. Had a nice pop out the gate on Amazon, pulling back, holding a value area. Microsoft looks super duper strong right now, coming into resistance. So keep that in mind. Tesla looked like it's holding that value area after having that pullback. Looked like it could bounce. Still in some Google runners, but Google looked like it's about to fly. Speaking of about to fly, Meta looks super duper strong. About to probably grab some Meta calls right here. NVIDIA looking like it's holding a value area, but I don't trust it right now. Palantir showing signs of life. Micron still looks weak, though. Micron and AMD still look weak. So far holding Divine's level, but looks weak. Hood looks super duper strong. Broadcom looks spring loaded. Adobe looks spring loaded. Netflix looks confused. Oracle full bull out the gate. UNH still looks strong. Intel holding a value area. And MicroStrategy and Coin look like they're trying to pump, but I don't trust it.
Ticker. ASTS move up stops. High day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ticker
so
ticker. I
there's an
grabbed a
update
couple
for
of
this
meta.
damn app. No, finish.
Ticker ticker. I grabbed some meta 600 calls. 600 calls. Size for lotto. 0 DTEs.
Let's go,
Morning, y'all.
boy.
Morning.
GM.
Ticker Meta. If you took Meta at the close yesterday, it was a lotto, but worked out. You should be up 595s in the money. SPX is outside the upside IV wall on on
Or
Milk's
1
ES
DTE,
chart.
rather. Sorry.
7486 ES. We want to hold above that, and it's a full send. The overnight ceiling was 7530. VIX extremely below pivot, so looks bully.
Thanks.
Indeed. Ticker 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 ticker. Adding some space mobile calls. The 120s for June 12th.
If ES loses 74.77, you reshort all of
ASTS.
this back down.
Kev, can you hear Joker?
I haven't heard Joker in all day today.
Okay, that's what I thought because you keep talking over him.
Haven't heard him say anything. Didn't even know he was here.
Yep.
Yo, yo. Kev, can you hear me now?
I hear you now, loud and clear.
Oh, okay, yeah. I was saying ES below 74.77, guys. This whole move would unwind. Right now, we're above the call raiders IV wall, so this is bullish.
Ticker, ticker. SPX $74.85 calls 32% from 25 to 36 half out. SPY 747 calls 21% half out. Move up stops across the board. Also ticker AMAT 550 calls entered Friday for June 18th. Just crossed 140%. 850 a con. Move up stops.
Damn, boy.
Thank you.
It's Trace.
Hey Heather, you should be already profitable on that CrowdStrike trade.
Yep.
Yes,
Great,
sir.
great work. Great work, Mata. And good work on Tesla and Meta.
Ticker CCTG got unhalted and halted again. I guess I missed the unhalt, but it's halted again. Still going up though. CCTG. I wasn't talking over Joker at that time, was I?
No, you're
No.
No,
good.
no, no.
No, you're good. Ticker. Oracle. Move up stops on all your calls. IV is now 182%. It was
Damn.
161 yesterday. We just got a 20% bump up in one day. Let's go. Move up stops.
20% bump up in one day is them showing their hand. Gotta check positioning real quick.
Yeah, I'll take a look later. I
Some-
think earnings is tomorrow, bro. It's got one more day.
For which one? I'm
Something.
sorry.
Ticker,
Oracle.
ticker. QNT, it's moving back again. So it's Honeywell. Remember, there's also another spin-off in 2 weeks.
Yep, we just talked about that yesterday. HONA.
Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna load up.
So HONA. So y'all must have talked about this in the evening space where I am not privy to it. Can someone give me some quick color, quick synopsis?
So HONA is the pure
Hold on.
play aerospace part of Honeywell business. What is left, the remain company HON, is basically your industrial controls and commercial controls business. Your thermostats, basically industrial controls business. That's what is left. Where it makes sense for HON is the remaining companies still will have stakes in both QNT and HONA, and they will be disposing that over time. And if the IPO is good, those stakes will tend to pay off very well. And there will be so typically when you have a conglomerate of completely independent business, there's something called a conglomerate discount, which is basically each of the business is selling at a big discount in terms of valuation to the and if unless assuming they acted independently, that discount would go away. So when you split it up, GE is the perfect example of this. There was a massive discount the moment they took the businesses apart. Each of them started running. So Raytheon before General, what was that called? United Technologies, same story. So when you split off these businesses, that conglomerate discount disappears. So that's the thesis, and HONA becomes a pure play aerospace, and they have incredible products there, including engines.
Ticker FAS. It's the bull financials banks. Hive day. Banks look strong.
Ticker ES broke below the center of that IV wall, 74.77 on that last sell candle. Watch the reaction here. I'm looking at the 5-minute candle and it's rejecting it on the second one right now. So that is not good. That means call writers do not want to pay out call buyers today. Keep that in mind. And there's the U-turn.
Ticker. You see the push up on Apple to 298, rejection at the 298 mark. So now I want to see Apple trend down to 294.58.
Thing is, I can't short nothing if we're this low below pivot right now.
The on Apple 10 minute, those boys are out. So
Uh-oh.
yeah, 3 black crows are on there, and it's dipping, boy. They're selling the shit out of this one,
That's
man.
Yeah,
probably
like I
what's
said,
causing...
295.
Sheesh, man. Apple did, what, 25-point move in 2 days?
Pretty much faked out the bulls up there at that top.
Well,
They
that
sell
move
every single
was crazy.
WWDC.
Yep, literally.
It's just a software event. I mean, I like it as a fanboy, but it's not that exciting.
They
And
also
more
basically said
revolutionary.
they're using Google for all of their AI stuff, so there's
Exactly.
no
It's not
no
revolutionary. It's all
innovation.
stuff that should have been out a long time ago.
That ass, yeah, no innovation.
Still keep buying them though.
Ticker CRDU. We got this literally yesterday. Up $12 a share, taking a quarter off here. That's a 2x long CRDO, which is making all-time highs. Up $17 today.
Ticker ES is probing pause the bottom of the IV wall, 74.60. It has to hold here.
Yeah, so I scaled some
Yeah.
Micron up 20 a share, and now it's coming back to my entry, so I'm going to be out break even here for the remaining shares.
And SPX on Heat Seeker today, AJ looks ugly, bro. But for tomorrow, there's a position down at 73.55. So I'm looking at SPY 2 right now on the fractal.
Ticker. GLXY starting to get a WNBA candle on a 15-minute time frame. GLXY Galaxy.
Yeah, guys. I think there's a update for this app because I can't see who's up here, and it keeps like breaking up. So I'm gonna do this update. I'll be right back.
Yo, did any of y'all notice ever since they got rid of the PDT, they cranked up brokers